Hello, how's it going? So I did the review on the, or not review, but the unboxing of the Chapel of Sacred Mirrors Journal of Visionary Culture, the limited edition box set. I'm gonna do a video for each of the issues. And this is the first one, so we're starting with the first issue. Summer Solstice 2004, issue 1. It was selling for $3 back then. You can see that. $3. So this is Alex Gray's art here. And I'm not sure who this is. I will soon learn. Some interesting stuff going on there. I don't know who any of these people are. Hopefully I will find out. I know this is Sophia. I don't know much about her. I know she represents like the divine feminine, mother, and a bunch of other things. Alex Gray's art has a lot of eyes. I'm going to be seeing a lot of eyes in these. This is the first page, and there's a poem here I will read later. So much to get into in these journals, so much information and art. I have to sneeze. Excuse me. Chapel. These are the sacred mirrors. These the coolest ones in my opinion. The most spiritual ones. There's another one on this page. Previous one. Okay, I think I found who is on the back cover. I think it's this guy. Never heard of him, but he's pretty cool. Wow. A lot of stuff went into creating what the Chapel of Sacred Mirrors is, and the sacred mirrors themselves. A lot of thought and ideas and symbolism. It's pretty incredible. Someone else to check out. These things, these journals, are a very deep study into what? Well, there'll be a lot of things. There's some commercials in here. I didn't expect that. It's like a real magazine. It is a real magazine. Just a very... I guess that's the difference between, I don't know, an art journal and a regular magazine. I don't know. Art magazines? I've never seen an art magazine before. I don't know if that's a thing. Some fashion. That's pretty cool. Sorry, I'm holding it in the middle. This is my first time I'm doing this. Literally the first time I'm doing a video like this. So I'm gonna keep learning, figure it out. So what you gotta do if you want to start a video channel, you just get a friggin' tripod. This one was super cheap from China. I think Amazon had a bunch of them stocked up in their warehouse, so. A lot of interesting stuff going on. Gonna be taking a lot of time to really delve in, to read these and learn what they have to teach. Some dope art. This is very similar to something I was drawing. That's interesting. Very similar. I was working on trying to draw sacred geometry freehand, so without any kind of straight edges or templates or anything. It's really difficult when you start doing like squares and circles and triangles. They're kind of pretty straightforward, but then when you get to like pentagons and hexagons and octagons, it's really difficult to get them all looking kind of the same. So, but it's interesting combining the geometry, which is normally thought of to be very systematic and perfection is the right word, but it's very uniform. So then when you add your human imperfection into it, it's got kind of an interesting. Sorry, I'm talking about my art. We're looking at the CoSM journal. I have yet to get any of their larger books that they've published. I will definitely sometime in the future. I have a friend that got this one, the Sacred Mirrors book. I don't know if that'll zoom in or, but it's just light. All right. But yeah, he got that one at the Gem Show here in Tucson, Arizona. That's where I'm live here in Tucson, Arizona. That wasn't correct English, but anyway, he said the producers have a booth at the Gem Show. It's like a world famous show where they have all the sorts of gemstones and crystals and stuff. I have never gone, but I want to when this. Hopefully they'll do it when this COVID thing's all resolved and over. People can gather in large quantities again. CoSM. Journal of Visionary Culture. Volume 1. There you have it. So I will next be doing volume 2. Thank you so much.